Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make Brownie Kunal Kapoor, full guide. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F and line an 8-inch square pan with parchment, then melt butter and chocolate together until smooth. Whisk eggs, sugar, and vanilla until glossy, fold in dry ingredients and chocolate mixture gently, stir in nuts if desired, pour batter evenly and bake until a toothpick shows moist crumbs. Cool completely, slice into squares, and enjoy. I'll walk you through ingredient selection, texture goals, and mixing techniques for rich fudgy brownies. Use high-quality dark chocolate and unsalted butter for best flavor. Measure flour accurately to avoid dryness. Beat eggs with sugar until ribbon stage for structure. Fold dry ingredients gently to keep batter dense. Avoid overmixing to prevent cakey results, and adjust bake time for fudgy versus cakey textures. Let brownies rest before cutting for clean slices. Quick recommendation: if you like this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support more recipes and tips. Also, droplets stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle I mentioned earlier. It keeps beverages cold and is great for kitchen prep or cleanup. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support, enjoy a sip, and now let's get back to the video. Timing and temperature make or break your brownies, so calibrate your oven and use an oven thermometer. Bake at 350 degrees F, but watch the center after 20 minutes. Rotate the pan for even heat and use a toothpick to test for moist crumbs, not wet batter. Cool fully in the pan on a rack to set the crumb structure. Chill briefly if you want cleaner slices, then warm slightly to serve.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.